Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you something that can seriously change the way you earn online, especially if you've ever wanted to try TikTok Shop affiliate marketing but didn't know where to start. It's called ShopReelAI, and it basically acts like your own 24/7 AI team that handles everything for you. What makes ShopReelAI so impressive is how much it automates. You don't need to film yourself, you don't need editing skills, and you don't even need followers. The tool finds trending TikTok Shop products, writes multiple viral style scripts, and then creates short 35-second videos using stock and UGC-style footage. It also writes captions, adds hashtags, and even generates your affiliate links automatically. On top of that, ShopReelAI builds your shop in bio page and can post your videos on TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts with just one click. You can easily post 10 or more videos a day without doing any of the work yourself, which gives you more chances to get views, clicks, and commissions. If you've been thinking about starting a faceless content channel or want a simple way to earn with TikTok Shop, this tool might be exactly what you need. In the next video, let me show you step-by-step demo how ShopReelAI works. You can see easy it to launch your own affiliate shop empire in minutes, from product discovery to video creation and scheduling. Just pick a niche, click generate, and watch AI build you monetized shorts a day that drive traffic, clicks, and sales on autopilot. Let's get started.
Welcome to ShopReelAI. In this short demonstration video, I'm going to show you how you can use ShopReelAI to leverage TikTok Shop and other marketplaces to earn money promoting products and getting commission paid out to you. Now, this is the first product that leverages TikTok Shops and products listed on there, where you can promote those products on TikTok, Instagram, and other platforms and earn commission from those product vendors on TikTok Shops. Now, how do we get started? We first create a client, which can be yourself. And then you create a content, and then the content is scheduled to be published on TikTok, on Instagram, on Facebook, on YouTube, wherever you want. And when you get views on those content that you've created and published, people click your affiliate link, go and buy those products on TikTok Shop, you earn a commission to do that. Now, let's create a client. Let's call the client myself if you're doing it for yourself. And of course, you can add other people as well in it. Now you can select your country. You can see the status of all the 3 platforms we support. Now again, TikTok Shop is the primary use case. So we want you to use TikTok Shop more than Amazon and eBay, because that's where the most high selling products are right now, because it's so trending, it's so popular, TikTok Shop, right? So click on continue to platforms. Now here you can connect all your platform: Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, 11 Labs, if you want to use your own voice cloned. And then next step is to create a campaign. Now campaign essentially is where you will pick the product. So let's call this campaign promo 1. Select the client, myself. The source will be TikTok. Of course, you can get products from Amazon, eBay, or you can use custom products as well. Custom product as in if you want to promote a product on JVZoo or on ClickBank, you can do that as well. You can use ShopReelAI to help you promote those products again. But again, remember, the core use here is TikTok Shop. We want you to leverage TikTok Shop because there's not a lot of people who are actually using TikTok Shop to promote products as affiliates, and TikTok Shop affiliate marketing is one of the biggest way and one of the easiest way to make money online right now. So we can pick from all these categories, or I can add a custom niche as well if you want to search that. So let's say outdoor adventures. This is usually what a lot of people buy when they watch videos on TikTok and TikTok Shop. So now what ShopReelAI is going to do is going to go out there and search trending products in that category and show you all those products, and you can pick those products and then later get the affiliate link to those products and then start making money with those, start creating video content around those products and start making money with those. Now, as you can see, these are the current top trending product in that niche. So let's pick one of the product. Let's say we want to promote a portable speaker, right? So we select this. Now, this is the product. These are the product details, everything. Of course, you can modify and edit all of this. And then what you need to do is you need to add your affiliate link. Now, how do you get an affiliate link? You go to view product, which is going to take you to the TikTok website. Now, TikTok is kind of blocked at my end. But what you can do is it takes you to this URL where it will let you sign up for TikTok Shop, or you can log in using your own TikTok account and it will generate an affiliate link for you. So you copy that affiliate link, you put that affiliate link here, whatever that affiliate link that would be, and you click on finish. So your campaign is now created. The next thing what we want to do is we want to promote this campaign, right? So we want to get traffic. How do we do that? We create video content, images, and social media content for this campaign and get it published. So we click on create content, and there are 3 kinds of contents you can create: image post, carousel post, or video post. So let's say we want to create a video post. We're going to click on video post and click create content. We're going to select the client, which is us, the campaign, which was promo 1, the one that we just selected. We're going to give it a name, let's say video 1, and we're going to create for TikTok. So we're going to go here, TikTok organic video. Again, you can create videos for Twitter, Instagram, IGTV, which is not supported, turned into Reels now. Facebook posts, Facebook Reels, YouTube Shorts, pretty much anything and everything you can think of. There's all included, all different formats you can create. Now, the product is the Clip N1 portable speaker with app that we are going to promote. The demographic is going to be United States. If you're doing it for your own local country, wherever you're at, you can select that, and the content and the script and the video that will be created will be targeted to that specific country. So this country part is very important. You can select which account you want to post. I didn't connect any account, but like if you have connected your Instagram and TikTok, they will all show up here. You can select all of them. You can select language. Again, we support all the languages out there, so you can select whatever language you want. You can manually schedule this video to be published at a specific date and time, or you can have AI pick the best time to post so you get most views. So this is what I usually do. I just select AI schedule. Now, on the next, what we're going to do is we're going to build the script for the video. So AI is going to go out there and start writing script for this product, promoting this product, and give you a much different version. So I'll give you one with hooks and feature focus, another with problem solution, and another with social benefits. So you can pick whichever script you like, and these are all the images from the product. We can select whichever image we want to use in our video. So we're going to use all these 4 images. That's 3 images actually. And again, if you want to modify the script, if you want to add something to the script, you can do that here as well. And you can add face narration. So if you want to add your own face, you can do that. You can upload your own picture and it will add your picture in the video and add lip sync, head movement, everything added in that picture. So it looks like you are actually talking to people on the video. Next, we're gonna go click next. And we can select different voiceover. Again, tons of languages, lots of tones you can pick from. All these are free to use languages and voiceover artists. Now, if you want to use 11 lab voices, you can use that as well. You can connect your 11 lab and you can use that, and you can clone your own voice and use that. Now we're going to click next and start generating the video. Now this would be the video that would be promoting this product that you want to sell using TikTok Shop. And then once the video is ready, of course you can modify it, edit it. I usually don't do much because AI does it pretty well. So I'll just render the video, and as soon as the video is rendered, it will automatically be scheduled to be published on whatever platform you have selected. And then when it's published, it will be published with a title and description that will include your affiliate link that you created in the campaign, the affiliate link that you added in the campaign over here. It will include that. So when people go out there and watch your video, what's going to happen is they're going to click on those links, they're going to go buy that product on TikTok Shop, and that way they will end up, end up buying the product from TikTok Shop and you getting a commission on that. Now imagine if 1,000 people watch the video and 1% of them end up buying. So 1% of 1,000, which is 100, 100 people and they're buying, and if you get $5 commission on this product, which is like really low, usually you get a lot higher commission, but like for example, if you get $5, that's 500 bucks from one video alone. Now imagine if you create tons of video, like 10 videos a week promoting 10 different products, each product makes you $500 to $1,000. That is a lot of money to be made. Super easy without a lot of work, and a lot of people are doing so. Now again, we're on the video editor, we can customize everything, we have full timeline access, we can add more stuff, we can change images, we can upload your own images and videos if you don't like these. You can change the voiceover, you can change the narration, you can again add your own face if you want to do that. You can change the background music, you can add animation, transitions, all those things. You can add an intro, outro slide. Of course, you can add captions on it. If you want to remove these things, you can add different captions on the video. You can use control the voiceover plus the background music volume. You can add a call to action. Again, if you want to add your affiliate link on the video as well, you can do that. You just type your affiliate link and it will be added. And then in the end, you can add logo and watermark. If you're doing it for your clients, you can watermark your video if you want to show them a preview, right? Once all is done, you can simply hit render and the video will start rendering. Once the video gets rendered, since we selected AI scheduling, it will automatically go out there and schedule the video. And you can see all the videos that have been scheduled right over here. And that's it. So all you have to do is like create one new campaign every day, create 2-3 videos every day, let AI create everything, let it create the script, let it generate the video, let it put it all together, let it schedule it for the best time so you get the most views. And then you simply sit back and watch commission roll in from TikTok shops. Now again, ShopReel is super easy to use. The core purpose is to help you leverage TikTok shop's affiliate program and make affiliate commission. But again, if you don't want to use TikTok, you can always use Amazon, eBay, JVZoo, ClickBank, whatever platform you wanted to use, you can use that as well because the core functionality is same. And since the content that it creates gets published on TikTok and Instagram, where these products are already trending and viral, the algorithm helps you push these videos more and gets you more views organically. So you don't really have to run ads or promote anything and do anything extra because the algorithm helps you push, especially when you're promoting a product from TikTok shop, because TikTok is trying to promote products and it's trying to promote the TikTok shop platform. So when you promote a product that's on TikTok shop, TikTok will automatically try and get your video more visibility. Now, if you want to create image content as well, you can do that. So let's try and create an image post. So let's give it a name. Select the client, which is ourselves. That's the campaign that we selected. So it's going to show all the images that are there. So I'm going to select this image, and then you can select all these different sizes that you want. Let's do this. Select the account. So I had connected a testing Facebook account, and let's do an AI schedule. Click on generate image. Now what this is going to do is like it's just going to use AI image generation models to generate images. And just so you know, you don't need any API key or any credits for ShopReel as a founding member right now. So you know, you don't need anything additional to add. It's a plug and play system. You get access, you log in, and you start using it right away. So what it's doing right now is generating AI image, and once that's ready, we can modify it, edit it, add more stuff to it. We can write our affiliate link on top of the image. We can create multiple of them. And once we approve the image, it will automatically get scheduled just like the video. And based on the AI's preferred time, where it thinks you will get the most exposure, it will publish that picture on your account and help you get more eyeballs. So you're just not only just creating video content, but you're also creating image content, and you're mix matching all of that and populating the account, blasting it from all different ways to get more eyeballs, get more viewers, get more traffic, and start, you know, earning commissions promoting that product on TikTok shop. And as you can see, the image generator, we're gonna click on edit image here. Again, we can add more images and videos on top of it. We can add text, we can add figures and shapes, different shapes we can add. We can add border on the image. We can modify the caption and everything that we're gonna be posting. And of course, we can add and modify our affiliate link. And once everything is ready, we just approve it. We can download it or just click on save, and it'll be ready to be scheduled and published on TikTok Shop or whichever platform that you have chosen for it to be published. In our case, we selected Facebook. So that's how ShopReel works. That's how easy it is to promote products on TikTok Shop and earn affiliate commissions. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. We'll be happy to help you.